We can handle most any kind of repair or maintenance service on your vehicle. Stop by Wilderness Auto Service in Maple Valley. You'll be glad you did.
Are you curious what the best-selling automobiles have been lately? CNBC.com shares the automotive industry's best-selling vehicles of 2020, starting with number 10, the Toyota Tacoma. Number 9 is the GMC Sierra. 8, Honda Civic. Number 7, Chevrolet Equinox. Number 6, Toyota Camry. Number 5, the Honda CR-V. Number 4 is Toyota's RAV4. Next at number 3 is the Ram pickup truck series. Number 2 is the Chevrolet Silverado. And number 1, for the 39th consecutive year, is Ford's F-Series pickup. Facts show that last year's list gives proof of America's love for pickup trucks. In the U.S., for the first time ever, sales of pickup trucks are outselling sedans. The 3 top-selling pickups accounted for about 13% of the 14.5 million vehicles estimated to have been sold last year in the U.S. And while Ford, Chevy, and GMC all have the top sellers, the Toyota Tundra and Nissan Titan sell enough to be competitive as well. And while trucks now outsell sedans, the SUV is by far the best-selling type of vehicle.
At Wilderness Auto Service in Maple Valley, we're experts in general auto repair, service, Chevron gasoline, and U-Haul rentals. See you soon.